7. So for today, we're going to discuss on how you're going to find for the sample size using the Slovin's formula. Okay class, so it is said that the data gathered may be classified as primary or secondary. So primary data are information gathered directly from the source, while the secondary data are gathered from the secondary sources such as books, journals, magazines, or theses of other researchers. In data gathering, information is usually taken from a sample. So the number of samples is determined by using the Slovin's formula. Okay class, so in finding for the sample size, we're going to use the Slovin's formula. So this is our formula. So we have small letter n, which stands for the sample size, is equals into the capital letter N, which stands for the population size, all over 1 plus the population size to be multiplied by the square of our margin of error. So in finding for the sample size, we are going to use this formula. Okay class, let us use this example. What is the sample size if the population is 3,000 and the margin of error is 5%? Let us have our given value. So our population size is 3,000. And of course, our margin of error is equals into 5%. So first thing that you're going to do is you are going to convert this into decimal. So this is 0.05. And then use the formula, sample size is equals into the population size all over 1 plus the population size to be multiplied by the square of our margin of error. So our population size is equals into 3,000. All over 1 plus the population size is 3,000 multiplied by our margin of error 0.05 quantity squared. Okay? Then let us multiply and perform the indicated operation. So you have 3,000 all over 1 plus 3,000 times, of course, the square of 0.05 is 0.0025. And then after that, we're going to multiply 3,000 and 0.0025, and that is equivalent into 7.5. Plus 1, that is 8.5. So you have 3,000 to be divided by 8.5, and that is equals into 52.94. Of course, we must round our answer into the nearest whole number. So therefore, this is equivalent into 353. So therefore, our sample size given population size is 3,000 and the margin of error is set as 5% is equals into 353. Okay class, let us have another example. What is the sample size if the population is 2,000 and the margin of error is set as 2%? So our given population size is 2,000 and our margin of error is 2%. So of course, convert this into decimal. So this is 0.02. So let us use our formula. N is equals into the population size, all over 1, plus the population size times the square of the margin of error. Let us substitute. So you have 2,000 all over 1 plus 2,000 times our margin of error is 0.02 quantity squared. So the first thing is you're going to square 0.02. So you have 2,000 all over 1 plus 2,000 times 0.0004. Okay, and then after that, you're going to multiply this. So you have 2,000 all over 1 plus, so this is 2,000 times 0.0004, that is 0.8. And then so you have 2,000 all over 1 plus 0.8, so that is 1.8. And then 2,000 divided 1.8, so that is equivalent into 1,111.11. So like what I've told you, round your answer into the nearest whole number. So you have 1,111. So this will be our final answer. Okay class, so that is how you are going to find for the sample size of a given. And then, so class, if you have question, please do not hesitate to ask your teacher. So I hope you had new learning today. And of course, I want to thank you for listening. Again, always keep smiling and Laos Deo.